Pack cooler than a 40 ounce. Why you being mean to me?
If it ain't your favorite, B&B Street Dreams back at it again with another lovely episode. As you can see, it looks like his car is kind of in shambles. I don't know if you could tell, but I don't think that's how the intake's supposed to be. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna be smoke testing the car. We actually just bought something recently because I always go to my friends, if you guys know John Ryan from my channel, to always do smoke tests on a lot of cars. So now I spent the money. Well, I didn't spend the money. Dad made the investment for the team. He did this time. It's on him. Didn't you? Didn't you? Yep. See? Good dude. Good dude. He came through. And as you can see, I'm going to leave all of the descriptions in there. I think this was like under $100 you can get this, but this one didn't come with mineral oil. I'll leave the part number if you want to get it for yourself, but you can get this almost anywhere. Here, get you a better look at that. There you go. Pretty simple in the box. It's honestly simple to open too. I think I already kind of peeked in here. It's probably never going back in the box now.
No, probably not. Instructions on the fly.
Oh, we were using those? Dang, yo. Dang. Dang, we're going to set that right. Oh, no, it's going to roll. I can't. There we go. Perfect. Perfect. Yep, E63. Cabin air filter for the win. That's...
And what is this powered by?
Your car.
Like a cigarette lighter?
12 volt. No, it's got like 12 volt like jumper cables. We're just gonna hook it up to the post right here. Okay. And this is what we're gonna use. Probably, no. I got another one that's pretty cool. I don't know. You think this one gonna get big enough? It comes with all these different attachments. I probably should really just kind of show that off right now. Let's look. Here, actually, you know what? Here, Pops, you can hold the light. I'll let you do it. Since I got you here to help. You feel me? Alright, so for starters, this is like your regular just cone you can put into your exhaust. It works really well. Okay. But because we're working with the intake today, because we got all the evap hoses that I know come up around here that we can check to make sure they're not leaking. We have something like this. This like blows up to fill the hole. Hopefully this fills the hole. We're gonna hope. If not, oh, here goes those jumper cables I told you about. So pretty simple, straight to the point. It's got more hose so you can route more ways to fill, you know. My bad. So pretty much we're just gonna get straight to it. We're gonna start putting this together. I'm gonna have somebody else hold the camera. I'm gonna do my part because that's what I do best. Okay, let's see what we got here.
Oh, that expands, huh?
Yeah, it like blows up like that. So.
And then like blocks off any other air?
Yeah. Oh, it fit. It's getting stuck.
Down to the turn or something?
Right. I don't think it's going to come out. There we go.
Okay.
Yeah, I don't think nothing.
It crosses my mind, but I don't want to go back to that.
I'm going to put it further in there so I know right here, right before the turn, so I know it's fine. Alright, there we go, we good. Alright, so come over here with the light. I want them to kind of see the inside of what this looks like. So, as you can see, we got the tube that goes into there. And if you look further into the hole, you can see deep in there that we have that right there. Main focus, it works. That's all that matters with this. We just need something that works. Okay, we're going to get this hooked up. We're going to run the other hose to here, and we'll be all good. We'll get this set up. You know what? Cool thing is we can set this.
Yeah, you can let Trayvon hold the camera.
Oh, I didn't want to just put a job on him.
He ain't doing shit. He want to be occupied too.
Shit, fuck yeah, I got you.
We doing some family affair type shit.
He turned. He with the action. Now we got a whole team in this one. This is crazy. B&B Street Dreams has got live as hell. Oh, you know what's funny? I just realized the hook for it is in here. So we actually don't have to hold the machine.
Okay. The machine could hang.
Yeah.
Is that machine heavy though?
No.
I'm saying it won't make it go raggedy ass hood fall down and smush it.
No, I don't think so. I think this hood heavier than this. You think this is gonna make the hood fall?
I don't know how strong those shocks are.
It's a BMW. You question a BMW, man?
Man, I question every vehicle after 10 years old.
I started.
Y'all seen that, right? It didn't move. All I'm gonna say.
Look at you. And what is that little guy?
That's the measuring cup.
Okay.
We about to pull up some drop. You want about 1 or 2 lines? What you want? On the slash. Alright, let's give it. We need to get this out. This is our little funnel. We so funny. Alright, that's for the electricity right here. This is for the smoke. This is actually really cool. Okay, and the fill level's right here. And that means the oil fill should be right here. Mineral oil only. You got the mineral oil, folks?
It's right there to your left, in front of the car.
Oh, you want to let them know who brought us the mineral oil today? Who was our lucky people we're going to talk about today? Oh, they didn't pay me. Harbor Freight. Icon. No, I'm just playing. If they pay me, I'll really rep it. I used to work for them back in the day. Ask Pops.
Yeah, he sure did. At the one out here.
Open. I should know. I got her. Oh.
No, you can drink that straight out the bottle right there.
No. I don't think you could just drink it straight out.
That Mohawk.
Don't do this, y'all. Don't do this at home. Don't do this type of stuff at home. It's got the paper stuck in there. Sometimes you gotta get stuff out.
Oh.
What that motherfucker? Blow it out? Oh, I got some of it out, but it didn't want to come out fully. I'm not trying to have mineral oil all on me.
I didn't know that's what it was, bro. That creates it.
Yep. Thought you was gonna make it at the crib?
No. I thought it was some special high-tech chemical, you know?
Never. Got it. Yeah, that's how you do that. You just blew it up just enough just to get your nail underneath it. Now you good. Just don't put no mineral oil in your mouth.
Okay.
Shit not good for your diet, dog.
It ain't. How much did you put in?
I ain't even read the instructions. We'll put about a little something there. Put some drop in there. Oh, this mother don't pour right. This like some Diddy oil, y'all. This ain't no baby.
Whoa.
This is definitely some Diddy oil. I don't know.
Video is crazy.
No Diddy.
We're gonna get our boy about 10 mils. This crazy. I'm not even on cam right now.
You said nothing about no Diddy. They gonna take our YouTube thing down.
Gonna bang you.
They gonna die laughing.
Talking about Diddy and Cheek Mills. No, don't do it.
I got my baby funnel in this one. I should go get a bigger funnel to pour into the little funnel and just have a bunch of stack of funnels just to keep pouring. Oh, I didn't even watch to see how much that filled up. That might have overfilled. Yeah, it's got a little gauge on the side.
Oh, okay. Well, shit, go on and fill that boy.
Oh, it ain't even filled yet. Dog, I'm tripping. I could have poured a lot more in there. That was only a little 25 mil. That boy will take 100 mil. 100 mil like it's Meek Mill.
Cheek Mills?
Diddy in there like, why you ain't naked yet? No, I'm scared. Bro, I'm sorry. That's going to be forever funny. That's going to go down in the history. I'm sorry. Y'all don't get the inside jokes, but later y'all will.
Come on, Daddy. You know you working hard.
That boy might be full.
Daddy putting in all that work.
On the boulevard. What Ha David say? God, help me. All right, we got to make sure you seal it back. It has an O-ring on it to seal because it has to be completely sealed to make this smoke, or else the smoke will just be pouring out the machine everywhere elsewhere. So
we'll be out here partying outside. Fog machine, got the blinking light.
Oh yeah, everybody about to be laughing when we unhook this motherfucker. That bitch really blowing everywhere. How much smoke you think this is gonna let out when it's out?
I don't know. We gonna see.
This is gonna be an interesting video. This is why we should
I'm very
unsupervised in the middle of the night. I'm pretty sure Oakland County is gonna definitely show up for this one. They love us here. They're always coming out. They came out one time and it was just trans fluid pouring all the way out the whole front.
Oh man, you should have been there. That was a mess.
See this dark spot over here?
Hey, that was a mess.
I came in the house, I was covered, bro.
Hey, we got the hose from over there. We had the soap stuff, a big ass container of soap. We scrubbed in the ground. All of this was trans fluid.
I look like a really unpaid stripper. It was bad, you guys. I won't do that one again. I'll make sure I get paid this time. What you know about that getting paid this time shit? Alright, this is the ground for sure, because that's just the ground. This is your hot that's hiding. And we can put that right on there, and she should power up.
And it is.
Oh, she is active. Oh, I probably should hook the hose up for the smoke, right? Yeah, that's what we need.
That'd probably be helpful.
Yeah, I'm about to get the blowing smoke. Oh wait, this motherfucker, what if it get to going though? Oh, I ain't turning it up yet. When I turn this bitch up, Oh, it tell you what the leak size in this bitch is. This crazy.
Okay, let's see what we got going here.
Oh, we about to see.
Look like we're going places, huh?
It's my first time ever doing this alone. Shout out John for teaching me this at a young age to find vacuum leaks. This is how you know whether or not you're getting lean codes on your car. So lean codes could cause anything from misfires all the way down to even pre-detonation. You don't want pre-detonation because that's still a misfire, but it hits a little bit harder at home. If you guys know what pre-detonation is, that's not nothing you want in your motor. So definitely, misfire is one thing, but if you know you blowing it up, it's a different story. Don't be blowing shit up, you guys.
The horsepower in the wrong part of the engine, right?
Why they do this like this? This should have been one of them hoses that you didn't have to like unravel to twist. This is dumb as hell. Come on. This is fucking insane.
Don't go panic.
Yeah, you better not make fun of them. They're gonna stop selling us cheap parts. Every time we make a joke, they're gonna be like, oh, okay, this nigga.
You got your cameraman.
Oh, you think it's funny?
No, he say, Pops, you put the light in the wrong place. We got to put the light where so we can see it.
Alright, so now we in there. That should be solid. Shouldn't have to worry about no leak there. We about to cut this mug on. I'm gonna be honest, I ain't read how to cut it on, so we gonna find out.
June or July, babe? It's our anniversary.
Oh, what are we doing?
I know it's the 27th, but I can't remember June. 5. Yeah, 5.
What?
See the meter thing moving. Nothing's coming out yet. So all of the system has to be closed for it to actually produce it, right?
Yeah. Well, no, it's gonna tell you the leak size. I didn't know why that was already set really high. Alright, so as you can see, here goes the oil cap. This is how you know the system's working. Now take this off, you can see the smoke coming through, but we're gonna hurry up and get that back closed. That way you can seal that smoke in there so we can get it filled up, because the more smoke we get into the motor, then we can see where we have a vacuum leak from. And if we see something leaking, that's how we know we have something leaking. So we just kind of got to keep looking around.
So it doesn't necessarily mean the engine got to be running. It could be, everything could be off, and if you got a leak somewhere, you'll see where the smoke comes out, right?
Yep.
Well, I see something. Back here.
Oh shit, shine the light back here. Where's that coming from? Here. Hold the camera and place it right there.
I just can't tell where it's coming from. I just see it coming from back here.
Oh my god. I think this little sensor's leaking. Right here. I don't know if it's like an O-ring that goes there. It looks like it's pouring straight up from there. You see that back there in that corner? Look right there. Look right there, coming straight off the sensor. You see this right here? I think it's that, because it's not coming from further down. I wonder if this is like a seal that's like kind of given, or is it this? Oh, it could be. Cause I see it leaking. Oh, that might be it. It's hard to tell. Could be a mix of both. I'm gonna have to pull this shit out to really tell. Alright. We're gonna let that keep going. Go ahead. To our conclusion. That is the culprit right there. I don't know if you can see that right there. That's the culprit. Right there on the valve cover. From a distance, you can kind of tell where it's at. It's all the way in the back. So that's our issue. That's where we're seeing the fumes come from. It's real close to a camshaft sensor, so pretty sure the car is not happy at all. So it just randomly causes issues and it does its own little limp mode thing. So we're gonna fix that EGR leak, see how the car likes it, see if it throws any other codes for picking up any other stuff. Because as you know, BMWs do not like any type of lean codes or any extra air inside the motor. So we're going to do that, take care of it. Hopefully this video helped you on ways that you can leak test your BMW. As you can see, we found ours. You have a good night. Check back in with us. I hope y'all have a good night.